Tingnan nyo lang kung may redness, kung may swelling. Okay, check kung may abnormalities, kung malaki ba, namamaga ba. So mukhang hindi naman. You also check for what? For the trapezius muscles yung sa likuran. Okay, so mukhang intact naman, walang redness, walang swelling. Okay, anong next?
Observe head movement.
Observe
Head movement.
head movement while also check assessing what cranial nerve.
11.
Cranial nerve number 11 or your cranial nerve accessory. So anong gagawin natin? You instruct the patient to, okay, bow the head. Okay, so bow the head. Okay, then you raise your head. Tingin sa taas. Okay, next, rotate your head to the right. Rotate, rotate, rotate mo lang, rotate. Okay, next, rotate to the left. Okay, next, you tilt the head to the right. Okay, tumulong pa. Okay, tilt the head to the left. Okay, so nagagalaw naman niya. So okay ang neck movement. Anong next?
Muscle strength.
You will now assess the muscle strength of the neck. So anong gagawin? We now apply resistance. Anong gagawin? Ipigilan niyo yung buka niyo. So you apply resistance, you try to rotate again the head to the right. So you rotate mo. Okay, so naro-rotate niya, meaning may muscle strength. So kapila naman. Sige, you try to rotate again. Okay, so napipigilan niya, meaning there is no muscle strength. What else? We also check for the strength of the shoulders. So apply resistance sa shoulders niya. You try to raise your shoulders. Okay, so nagagawa niya, meaning positive mind, muscle strength sa neck and shoulders. Anong next? Okay, so we'll now be palpating now the entirety of the neck, checking for the lymph nodes, the cervical lymph nodes. At the same time, we will be also palpating now for the alignment of the trachea. Okay, we also check for the thyroid if it is also inflamed or namamaga. Okay, so let's start first sa kanyang thyroid. So where are your thyroid glands located? We have what you call here sa anterior part of the ears. So you palpate, going now where? Below the ears, going where? To the rami of the jaw. So kapain nyo, kasi sometimes ang nangyari, namamaga siya, lalo na kung may infection. Okay, so mukhang wala naman tayo na any bukol. Then, going down the neck. Okay, so try to palpate, try to feel kung may bukol ba. Okay, then supraclavicular, above the clavicle. Okay, and also doon sa kanyang shoulder muscles, kung meron. Okay, so mukhang wala naman tayo na-feel na any mass or any nodules or any lymph nodes na namamaga. The next thing to do, you let the patient raise or tilt the head sa taas. Then you palpate for the trachea. Check for the alignment. Check kung intact yung trachea niya. Okay, check kung diretso ba yung trachea. So mukhang diretso naman, walang lateral deviation. Okay. Then check for the thyroid gland kung namamaga. Try to feel, try to palpate kung inflame o namamaga. Okay, so mukhang walang inflammation. Okay din ang alignment ng trachea. Walang lateral deviation. Anong next?
Document findings.
Document the findings on the pliers. Right? And that's how you assess your neck. Okay?